Absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this. Huge 8-foot porch. Absolutely massive. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Look at that porch. Huge porch. Let's take you inside here. As you can see, the porch is on a hinge system, so that's going to fold down for transportation. And all these railings are going to be taken out so we can transport this all over the country. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this craftsmanship, guys. Look at the craftsmanship. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, my goodness. Look at those stairs, guys. Wow. Wow. Talk about the dream cabin, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Got a spot under here for your doggy. I love my dog, little dog bone mat. Isn't that cute? No space is wasted here, guys. No space is wasted. Over here, okay, this will go, we put a back porch on here if you want. Let's open this up and see. Got a little back porch on it. Turn around, look at that. Got your cabinets. Washer and dryer hookups right over here. Got your 200 amp electric already ready to roll. Got your electric ready to go there. Okay. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, that would put it to work.
And over here you got a bathroom. We don't have it wired up, but you can see here.
You can do the here.
Okay, oh, got some electric. We do have it wired up. Perfect. There you go. So there's a, there you go. We got a little closet here. There you go. Isn't that cool? Isn't that beautiful? Look at the quality. Look at the craftsmanship, guys. Look at the quality and look at the craftsmanship. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Again, look at this. Look at these views, guys. Look at these views. Look at these views. Isn't that beautiful? Amish built furniture.
Top one is the office phone.
Isn't that beautiful? All kinds of natural light coming in. Okay. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those steps. Let's go up here and give you another view. Up here, look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Give me a call today, guys. Let's get you one of these beautiful Amish built cabins on your land. Give us a call. These are just beautiful. You go through this door up here in the lofted area, and this one has not been finished yet, but it can be. Just a beautiful home, guys. Just a beautiful home. Look at that. The brand new big Bertha on the lot. Just shy of 950 square feet. 3-bedroom, 1 bath. This is the big Bertha baby 2.0. Got a 6-foot by 42-foot front porch. And then on the first floor is 14 by 42. Second floor is 14 by 32. So just shy of 950 square feet of living space. As you can see, beautiful porch that extends the whole front of Big Bertha baby. Okay, now we are inside this pretty thing. Beautiful, beautiful. One modification we did on the 2.0 is now we got a handcrafted tabletop here with a little bit more features on it. Okay, you got your handcrafted kitchen cabinets. We got the barn door on there. That's going to go to where your restroom is going to be in your laundry room, right? You still got your door underneath the steps. Still got your second floor, except this time we enclosed one of the bedrooms up there and we kept one side open. Okay, so we got 2 bedrooms upstairs. We enclosed one side so y'all can kind of see what that looks like closed up. Kept the other side open. Okay, so y'all can let us know if you want them both open, both closed, one open, one closed, lots of options. There's your back door. There's your living room area. Okay, just like the original, but remember it's 10 foot longer on the first floor because, ooh, what's this? That's right, we got a master downstairs. A lot of our customers are baby boomers. They don't want to risk falling down them stairs, or a lot of folks just want to have a downstairs bedroom, right? So now let's go into the bedroom, and voila, we got a downstairs bedroom off of the living room. There's the master bedroom downstairs, dining room, kitchen, bathroom area / laundry room, and let's go upstairs. Once again, before we make it all the way upstairs, let me show you the catwalk. So you got a catwalk here that connects the 2 bedrooms together. So you go across the catwalk from one bedroom to the other. We kept this bedroom open, okay? And we kept this bedroom, we closed it off. So y'all can see we can do both. We can close them both off, or we can leave them both open or close one and keep one open. So let's go in this one first. This one's huge. This side, this is above the living room area. Someone was asking me earlier today, can you get a California King on one side of the upstairs? And yes, you can. On this section here, you could get a California King bed right here. It's huge, okay? Clean as a whistle, baby. So we're in one bedroom. Remember, we can close that off if you want us to, and we got this one closed off. Let's go in it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at that. So this is bedroom number 3. 1 bedroom downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs. Clean as a whistle. And let's show you what the backside looks like. I got to go way back. She's a big girl. Got to go way back. Like I said, 14 by 42 on the bottom, 14 by 32 on the top. Now, wouldn't this look so pretty on your land? Clean as a whistle, baby. All right, guys, this is one of the ones we got in inventory right now. We got the rustic El Chapo 1.0 in inventory, and then we got the modern El Chapo 2.0. As you can see, this got that pretty black board and batten siding with the knotty pine trim around the front window and door here. Just a beautiful structure. I'm gonna do a quick little walkthrough video. I only got about 3 minutes, so let me do a little, get you a couple angles on this one so you can see how pretty this one is. Now this one here, the shell like you see it is $75,000. It is available for immediate sale. And then if you want it turnkey, if you want the Amish to put the electric, plumbing, and all that into it, actually this has electric. So this comes with electric, and like you see here for $75,000. If you want everything else put into it, it's $125,000. Beautiful 6 foot by 40 foot front porch. The dimensions on the inside is 14 by 40, so you got 560 square feet. This one, instead of them doing the pine on the inside, these are beautiful birch plywood walls. We paint white. The Amish are all about using real wood, guys, so this isn't sheetrock that's going to crumble during transportation. This is actually real birch. And then you got the black Anderson double pane windows. These are actually Anderson windows, top of the line, okay? So this is your living room area. You already got your GFIs. All you see are electrics already ran in here. Insulation's already in. You got your GFIs here. This is where your kitchen's gonna go, your kitchenette. Then you got the open concept. You got all your lights up there already. Okay, you got your LEDs. Okay, you put your kitchen, stove, refrigerator, microwave on that wall. Electric's already ready. This is a 2 bedroom, 1 bath. As you go down the hallway, you got your pocket door here. That goes into bedroom 1. You can see you got your electrical panel already ready to go, plug and play. Go down the hallway a little bit more. This is where you're gonna put your bathroom, tub, toilet, and sink. And then you put your master bedroom over here. So again, if you just wanted to buy it like it is here, we got it for sale for $75,000. Like I said, fully insulated with electric, and it's got the lights, as you can see. All your switches are ready to go. Or we can finish it up for you and have the Amish come to my land. We can finish it up where it's got electric, plumbing, heating, cooling tubs, toilets, and sinks. All the appliances for $125. So let me walk outside. I'm running out of time. I only got 3 minutes to do this video for Instagram. Let me show you one more view of it real quick before I let y'all go. Beautiful porch on it. Again, this one is available for immediate sale. Give us a call today at 812-595-4033. 812-595-4033.
Hey everybody, we are in the Rocky model park, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm gonna get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm gonna talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so but we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the coarse countertops, very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and also can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinets. But some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy. Very handy.
Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have 2 stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that.
There's
more storage.
some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another closet here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model.
Yep.
And then again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue concept, which I think really kind of looks it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation, in this.
It feels truly like home, or I think this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
If you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. Walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right?
Yes.
Top of the line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the colors.
Windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls, and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable, okay?